Hi guys, welcome to my most tutorials. Today we are adding matrices. So before we add, I need you guys to take note of something. We can only add matrices in the same order. Meaning to say, if they are not in the same order, we cannot add them. It will be impossible for us to add them. The first example that we have today, we are having a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows, 2 columns, and we are adding it to a 2 by 2 matrix. This one, it is possible for us to add it, right? And how then do we add? Take note, we add them according to their positions, okay? So meaning to say, the next step will be adding an A to 2A, right? B, we are adding it to 2B. C, we are adding 3C. And then for D, we are adding it with 4D like that, okay? Take note of that, especially when they come in their numbers. This number will be added to that one, that one, that one, this one, and that one, in that order. So what is A plus 2A? We get 3A. And then B plus 2B, it's 3B. C plus 3C, it's 4C. D plus 4D, it's 5D. This is our final solution. But then if a question comes in this form, and say it's A, B, C plus A, B, C plus A, B, C in that form. Okay. This is a column matrix and that's a row matrix. This is a 3 by 1 matrix. We are adding that they want us to add a 3 by 1 matrix with a 1, adding it to a 1 by 3 matrix. Okay, it's just 1 row but 3 columns. We cannot add this kind of a matrix. Okay, as long as the order is not the same, we cannot add them together. So that's for our first example. Our second example for our second part of adding matrices is this one. They say that we are given that matrix A it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then matrix B it's 6, 2, 1, 3. It's 6, 2, 1, 3. And then matrix C, it's this is our matrix C, it's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 3. That's our matrix C, okay? And the first part of the question says, find A plus B. They want us to calculate A plus B. The second question, A plus C. The third question, B minus A. How are we going to do that? How are we going to simplify this one? Okay, so for A plus B, I'm just going to write my matrix A, which is matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, plus matrix B, which is 6, 2, 1, 3. Remember, we add them according to their positions, meaning to say 1 plus 6, and then 2 plus 2, 3 plus 1, and a 4 plus 3. Okay, I added them according to their positions. Okay, so what is 1 plus 6? It's a 7. So my answer, I'll have a 7 there. And 2 plus 2, it's a 4. 3 plus 1, it's a 4. And 4 plus 3, it's a 7. So that's our final answer for A plus B. And then for part B, they said we should add A plus C. I'm sure you guys can see that matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows, 2 columns, and we are trying to add it to a 3 by it's to a 2 by 3 is 2 rows, right, and 3 columns. It is impossible for us to add this one. We cannot add this matrix. The reason being, it is not in the same order, right? We can only add our matrices when they are in the same order. Same applies to subtraction. We can only add or subtract them when they are in the same order. Okay, excuse me. So now We then move, so this one will just say not possible, right? This is not possible. We then move to part C of the question, where we are having our B minus A. Our matrix B, it's 6, 2, 1, 3. And we are subtracting A, which is matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. So what are we going to do? We are going to say 6 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 3, and the 3 minus 4, like that. Okay. So what is 6 minus 1? We get a 5. So I'll take my answer that side. 6 minus 1 is a 5. 2 minus 2 is a 0. 1 minus 3, that's a negative 2. I hope you guys still remember your negative numbers. 3 minus 1, it's a negative. Sorry, 3 minus 4, it's a negative 1, like that. Okay. So that's our final solution. So that's all on adding matrices. It's very easy. What you just need to know is that you can only add them when they are in the same order, number 1. Number 2, you add them according to their positions. Like on the first question with 1, 2, 3, 4, adding it to 6, 2, 1, 3. We said 1 plus 6. You don't just say maybe it's 1 plus 3 or 1 plus 1. No. You add them according to their positions. Okay. So that's all on matrices. See you on our next lesson. We are going to be multiplying matrices. We'll be multiplying them with a scalar.